Alright, so I'm up here on the roof. We'll take a walk back from the back to the front of the house and talk about a few things. Um, First off, I wanted to talk about how this rain gutter is not pitched correctly. You can see that the outlet for the downspout is down there. And down here you have almost just about a inch of water or so. It did rain yesterday, so yeah, this this side's up as high as it can go, so that end would have to drop down, especially in the winter time. Summertime, it was going to evaporate pretty quickly, but in the winter time that's going to turn into ice, and you don't want that hanging on the side of your house. So there was that. Plumbing vents look good. Oh, that's a piece of shingle here. Get rid of that while I'm up here. Okay. Alright, so the other thing I want to talk about is two things really in the same spot. This shingle here that goes under the fascia was, I guess the aluminum was cut a little bit tight, and it slowly worked its way out, and it's now sticking up. So that would have to be trimmed, either the aluminum to fit the shingle, or the shingle to fit into the aluminum. Then you have this section here where the two basically houses overlap, and there should be a shingle in this little valley here. There is not. This stuff right here, that's ice and water shield, and that is not meant to be exposed to UV light long term. So really simple, actually. Sliding a shingle in there would take care of that. But if you would let that go, that eventually would break down from the UV light, and that would start to crack, and then you'd get a leak there. And then this here looks like they had a vent, and they had to move it for some reason. But instead of replacing a shingle, they just slid this piece of aluminum under there and nailed it down. Didn't even really glue or seal the nail holes. So yeah, definitely would recommend replacing that shingle as well. And let's see. There was, so all the way down in the front of the house, there was one or two other things. So yeah, you can see that this rain gutter isn't pitched properly as well. You have some standing water in here, and so that would need to be pitched correctly. And then you have this one shingle here that was somehow damaged or defective, so I would recommend replacing that as well. That capping up there does not have right there. Those nails need to be caulked, and I'm sure there's nails on the other side that I can't see from this angle that would need to be caulked as well. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it.